Today I'm going to use the new neon pink tie-dye brush set from MŌDA to create this eye. With the double-ended brush smudger side first, I'm using this to really pack on this shadow. Then I'm going to flip the brush and use the crease side to buff it all out, all up into the crease. Blend, blend, blend. Now with the smoky eye, I'm focusing it on the outer corner to create some depth of color. I love the rounded shape of this brush. It allows me to get underneath the eye and into the crease. With the shader, I'm going to go through and blend and buff out all my previous work and really focus on creating my shape. I love this flat concealer brush to add glitter, shine, and shimmer. Next up, with our pointed lip, I'm going to use this to smudge out my lip liner as well as add my gloss. This set even includes a powder and contour brush to finish out your look.